For the following lab, you will need potassium iodide, potassium iodate, sodium thiosulfate solution 0.1 molar, potassium iodate solution 0.02 molar, liquid chlorine bleach. We're using chlorite bleach with a 5.25% measurement. You can see that on the back. Sodium thiosulfate crystals to make the solution. 2 molar sulfuric acid. A starch solution for the indicator. We will need a burette to do the titration and the pipette. And we will also need 2 conical flasks in order to do our titration in. And a balance is also necessary. We start by measuring 25 milliliters of the potassium iodate solution using a volumetric pipette. And we're using a pipette bulb, and we're going to empty that into a conical flask to prepare for the titration. We add approximately 1.00 grams of potassium iodide. We add 2 molar hydrochloric acid to liberate the iodine, and now we titrate with 0.1 molar thiosulfate solution until the solution becomes a very pale yellow. And when it gets to that pale yellow, we add iodine starch solution, which turns it colorless, and then we are finished. To prepare the bleach solution, we start by measuring 10 milliliters of bleach using a 10 ml volumetric pipette and a pipette bulb, and we transfer that to a 100 milliliter volumetric flask, and then to that flask we add distilled water and top it up until it reaches the mark. We now transfer using a 25 milliliter pipette 25 milliliters of this solution to our volumetric flask to be used for the titration of bleach. To this solution we add 1 gram of potassium iodide and mix well. You'll notice the color change. And then we'll add 15 ml of 2 molar sulfuric acid solution, and we titrate with sodium thiosulfate, the 0.1 sodium thiosulfate solution, until we get a colorless solution, and then we stop. To calculate the known molarity of 0.1 molar thiosulfate solution, we need the formula weight. So to make this 0.1 molar solution, we need to find 0.1 molar is 0.1 moles in 1000 ml, and when you convert that to 250 ml you get 0.025 moles. When you multiply this now by the formula weight, you get how many grams you need to weigh out to place in 250 ml. So you weigh 6.204 grams of sodium thiosulfate, add it to a 250 milliliter volumetric flask, and then you add enough distilled water until you reach the mark, and then you have your solution. Thanks for watching.